Did you know about 95% of customers read reviews before making a purchase, and 92% of customers trust peer recommendations? In fact, negative reviews can stop an average of 40% of buyers from wanting to buy from a business. These statistics make it very clear that recommendations and online reviews are incredibly valuable to your customers and influence their purchase decisions. This is why it is important to track customer satisfaction and ensure your customers are having a great experience with your product or service. You can do that by calculating NPS. But what is NPS? First, let's understand what NPS is all about. NPS is a customer loyalty metric that measures how likely customers are to recommend a product, service, or brand to others on a scale from 0 to 10. The NPS calculation is based on one simple question: on a scale of 0 to 10, how likely are you to recommend us to a friend or colleague? The responses are divided into 3 categories. Scores of 9 or 10 are considered promoters, indicating highly satisfied and loyal customers who are likely to recommend your business. Scores of 7 or 8 are categorized as passives, satisfied customers, but less likely to actively promote. Scores of 0 to 6 are detractors, representing unhappy customers who may spread negative word of mouth about your business. Now, let's dive in and learn how to calculate NPS. To calculate NPS, you can either use an NPS calculator like the one provided by Voxco, or you can apply the NPS formula. To calculate the Net Promoter Score, subtract the percentage of detractors from the percentage of promoters. Passives are not included in this calculation. The resulting score can range from -100 to +100. Let us show you with an example. Suppose you collected responses from 100 customers, and the distribution of their ratings is as follows. We can see that 40 customers scored 9 or 10, 25 customers scored 7 or 8, and 35 customers scored 0 to 6. To calculate the NPS, determine the percentage of promoters and detractors. Divide the number of promoters by the total number of respondents and multiply it by 100. Next, calculate the percentage of detractors using the same method. Now, subtract the percentage of detractors from the percentage of promoters. This is your Net Promoter Score. Remember, the NPS score ranges from -100 to +100, so a positive score indicates more promoters than detractors, while a negative score suggests the opposite. We hope you found this demonstration helpful. Check the description box to find the NPS calculator by Voxco, or book a demo to learn how to generate more actionable insights with Voxco.